Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will show you how you can actually uh, show your text and image side by side. So let me start the video. Here you can see I have an HTML file, home.html. So now I have an image also. Here you can see robot dot. So I will say HTML, and you see the body. Let's add paragraph first. So here we will see, okay, let's add image first. So I'll say image, and we have a tag, paragraph tag. So I will say here lorem. So I have a text here and image. So let me just add the image. So image is robot.webp, right? So I will say here robot.webp. So it is the extension of the image. Now if I open it in the browser, you can see we have image and text. Okay, but we have now let's say you want to show them side by side. I mean, in the left side you want to show image and the right side you want to show text. So you can do this in HTML in different ways. I will show you the most effective and most efficient way, and it will also work as responsive. So let's do it. You just have to go to the style. So I want to do style in the same page, so I will say here style tag, and inside the style tag I will say, okay, my image. Okay, so I can actually take them inside a div. I will say a div, and now I want to access this class in the style tag, inside the style tag. So I will say here dot div1. We know if you want to access the class, you have to use like this. You have to give dot first, then class name. So I want to set this class display as flex. Display flex. Okay, let me just mention here type, and that is text or CSS. So I have mentioned here that, okay, my class div1, I mean this div1 should be displayed as flex, and I want to set the flex direction to row. Now see the result. If I refresh, now you can see our text is in the side, right? Okay, I want to actually set width for the image, so I will use, okay, let me here you can see we have scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. It's problematic, so I will say overflow, or maybe I can say here for the whole page I will say star, and then I will say overflow x axis, or I mean hidden or hide. If I refresh, you can see now overflow is gone. Now our text and image is showing side by side. So let's say I want here gap, little bit gap, so I will say here gap, let's say 20 pixel. If I refresh, now you can see we have created gap here. So I actually want to remove margin and padding, so I will say margin 0 and padding 0. In my previous video, actually I talk about margin and padding. So margin actually create space outside the element, and padding actually create space inside the element. So if you want to create space of this I mean outside of this image, so you have to use margin. If you want to create space inside this image, you need to add padding. Okay, now if I refresh, now you can see the space will be gone. Here you can see the space is gone because I said here margin 0 and padding 0. Okay, now actually you can, so you can show your image and text like this, and so you just have to write here two line, and that is display flex, and flex direction is row. So by default flex direction is row. You don't need to write it. If I refresh, you can see the result same. So yes, like this. I hope you understand, and you can do it in different way, but this is the most perfect way, I hope. And it is also responsive. Let me show you. If I go to the inspect option here, if I go for the responsive option, you can see it is responsive. But you can set the media query. Let's say after this, when it is go to the mobile view, it will show in the I mean flex direction should be column wise, right? So you just have to say here media query, and that is at the rate of media. Okay, and here you just have to say, okay, div1, that time display should be flex, but flex direction would be then column wise, right? When it is mobile, when it is for the mobile, that time actually it will be column wise, but you just have to set here width. So I'll say max width. I'll just say mobile version max width. So I will go for here and okay, let's say 300 pixel. So I will say 300 pixel. Okay, so now you can see the result. When it goes to the goes under 300 pixel, you can see the result is it is in the side by side, but when it goes to the mobile view, now it's showing as column wise, because I have set media query here that if it is go to the if it is go under the 300 pixel, it will show as flex, but the direction would be column wise. Okay, so now our page is also responsive. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.